Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Meeral, and today I want to discuss about very important concept of time period of cell division with respect to environmental condition. Means when cell division is getting faster and when cell division is getting slower. So when any kind of microorganisms grow in artificial media, their growth period is dividing into three different zones. The first one is B phase, that is period of cell division or proliferation. The second one is R phase, that is period of cell cycle or replication. And the third one is T phase, that is time gap period between B phase as well as R phase. So when there is standard or normal condition, means everything is fine. At this stage, bacteria have enough scope to divide themselves very rapidly. And we all know that Escherichia coli divides at every 20 minutes of time interval. So as the nutrient supplements are easily available, E. coli spends more and more time during the B phase. And after the fully completion of B phase, R phase will be start. So obviously R phase means period of replication takes more than 20 minutes of time, sometimes 30 minutes and sometimes up to 35 minutes of time. So it is approximately double the time of cell division. So at this stage, the T period, that is gap period between B phase as well as R phase, is very much higher, means it is big, and due to this condition cell division is very much faster than its replication. But there are also some exceptional conditions like starvation or nutrient depletion condition. At this stage, cell division is getting slower because nutrient supplements are not easily available. So it will take greater than 20 minutes of time. So at this stage, the gap period T phase is nearly or is equal to 0. So there are chances that cell division as well as replication may take place parallelly. And at this stage, sometimes cell division may take 40 minutes or 35 minutes of time. So when the question is asked that cell division environmental condition is standard, then definitely cell division is faster than cell replication. And if the question is asked that environmental condition is starvation, then definitely cell division is getting slow, and there are chances that both the process replication as well as division will take place parallelly. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.